How was this missed? How are the people that are in charge of upholding the justice system not reading our laws? If nobody had brought this up, they would have continued doing it.
In a WIS investigation, we found a municipal court has been charging drivers the wrong fine for a traffic violation for more than 7 years. Columbia Municipal Court has been fining people $232.50 for what should be just a $25 fine.
So the court says that this error impacted 99 people, but investigative reporter Cynthia Beasley found that error cost thousands of dollars.
A trip down Rosewood Drive in Columbia led to uncovering a major error within the city's court system.
I was coming down Rosewood here, and a vehicle was getting into the turning lane, and he rapidly applied his brakes, so I signaled and went around him.
Earlier this month, a Columbia police officer pulled over Tony Gradell and wrote him a ticket for unlawful lane change.
Even though a signal was done and there was proper spacing between the cars.
The fine on the ticket, $232.50 for a blinker violation.
I thought it seemed a bit excessive, so naturally I looked into it.
Gradell looked up the state statute online. He says it took him just minutes to find the amount he should have been charged.
It says it's a $25 citation, yet they cited me for $232.
The law clearly says a person who violates this section, quote, must be fined $25.
How was this missed? How are the people that are in charge of upholding the justice system not reading our laws?
The law that sets the fine at $25 went into effect in 2017, more than 7 years ago.
I went through every case that came through Columbia Municipal Court. Of 129 people fined for this violation,
I found only 9 were fined the correct amount. Most of them were charged $232.50. According to online court records, Columbia Municipal Court fined people about $26,000 total for this violation. If those people had been fined the correct amount, that number would have been $3,225. That's a more than $23,000 difference. I asked for an interview to figure out how this happened, but was told, quote, staff is unavailable. In an emailed statement from the court, officials say the fine change made in 2017 was never uploaded to its court management system. Officials say the court is in the process of reimbursing everyone for the overcharged amount. The court says they fixed the error June 5th. That's 2 days after Gradell was issued his ticket, and he brought this issue to their attention. Gradell's hearing for his ticket is next month. The online system shows the fine now being charged in his case is correct, $25.
If nobody had brought this up, they would have continued doing it.
In Columbia, I'm Cynthia Beasley for WIS Investigates.
And Cynthia is still working to figure out how this error went unchecked for 7 years. Columbia officials say in 2017, Richland County was responsible for changing the fine in the Columbia Municipal Courts system. Richland County's IT office says it is looking through records trying to find out whether or not Columbia asked Richland County to make that update.
As for other courts, the state judicial branch says they all had the correct fine amount in their system.